Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Ubud. Hello. Since we're both wearing long pants and Naomi's, well, we're not very. I can't talk today. Just say
hello everyone. Welcome to our next destination. This is David, and here I am, and we're gonna go explore this area. Because we have long outfits on, I've got long skirt, he's got long pants.
So, yeah. So she got a long skirt and I have long pants, right? So we don't need to wear sarong. All we need to do is just, you know, tie up our thing just to, you know, be respectful to the region. Look at the view, right? Oh, wait, that's a vlog. But here, people are queuing up. Fortunately, there is no fee. We just have to put some donation over there in a bamboo box. But yeah, we did some photos. We have arrived at the bottom where all the temples are, and I highly recommend you guys do like a background history check for this area because it's so beautiful. Look at this. It's carved into the stone. It's just fascinating. Hey everyone, are you guys hungry? Because Naomi is. We have arrived from the other side because the one that I took pictures of was on the other side, just across the street, just across the stream. So this one is on the other side. I think it's meant to mirror each other. It's so beautiful. Right, so it's an hour from here. Yes. To the waterfall. We have asked our driver to, you know, drop us off at a good restaurant, and this is his recommendation. This is quite fancy actually, right? The view though, the view though. That's it. We have just ordered. I ordered grilled chicken and rice, and Naomi ordered grilled duck and rice. And as you can probably hear, the rain is falling down right now. So hopefully it's not going to be too hard, otherwise we have to move table. The scenery here is so beautiful, breathtaking guys. That's why the price is a bit expensive. But you know, worth the vacation. That's why we work hard. That's how we spend the money, right?
That's where they go, yeah? You don't have to work so hard there.
But my parents. No, because my parents.
You see over there? That is a human tree. But this is a different type. Like in Cambodia or Thailand, they use a bigger one, so the tree was much bigger. But this one, they have smaller fruit. It's just so fascinating. Which means that we are really high up. Because usually like yuan tree, they are super high.
I think I want to follow Kerry. Kerry, I was now Kerry. I was important.
Food here. Duck. Chicken. Oh. Thank you. So this is my plate, look at how I eat. And this is her plate, look at how she eats.
I ate authentically, okay?
Authentically. We just finished our lunch. Apparently she wants some dessert. So we see how it goes, if she actually can finish that as well. Currently it's like 1:10 or 1:15. So we still have enough time to go to the waterfall and enjoy some swimming. Lunch was done? Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it was lovely.
It was lovely. She got duck. Oh my god, it's raining at the moment, so we have to be hurried. So she got that and she finished all of that. The food portion was quite little, so I had like an extra rice on the side. We are trying to find our car. Hopefully he's ready for us.
1 hour later.
Hello, wow, super bright. It was raining earlier, wasn't it?
Yeah, someone was sleeping.
Someone was sleeping, wasn't he?
Yeah.
He was. We have arrived at a new destination. It's called Tukad Cepung. I'm not sure, but it looks like we have to walk really far. And guys, I have high expectations for this, so I really want to have a swim, and we brought our changing clothes as well.
Not sponsored by mine.
Not sponsored by mine. Anyways, yeah, I might go with GoPro because I want to keep this one dry. So yeah, let's go. You're right?
Oh, hi.
Hi. So good news and bad news situation. Good news, I can hear some water falling down now, so that's good, the sound of water. But bad news is we still have like halfway to go. There's some, like quite long actually, down the stair. Look at the sign. Changing room, please do not pee.
True.
Guys, look how far we have to go. It's down there, do you see people? Yeah, just right, down there. Oh my god, there's so much further, a long way to go. But one positive thing that I like to add in this video, that the accessibility here is so good. Even though they charge us money to get in, right? So like 15k was like $1.50, $1.60 Australian dollar. But you got changing room up there, and you got like, you know, handrail and everything. So it's all in a good cost of like maintenance. Apparently they have good photos over there, so I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Oh, look at these. As you can see, the passage is so small. Luckily we are small, so it's alright. Look. Oh!
Wow.
Wait, we're not even there yet. Why are you? Oh, there's a stair. That's a good idea. Guys, so we have arrived here, right? It's about like, I think 50 meters from here. You have to go into that passage to go to the main waterfall. So from there, I cannot use this camera. I see you with my GoPro one. Hey, welcome to my GoPro cam. So I'm going to change, take the shirt off, and let's go to the waterfall. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Look, we have come to another waterfall. It's way less crowded than the other place. And cause you know why? Because it's a small waterfall. And right now we're just queuing for more photos. Bye! We are walking back to our car. Hopefully he finds us again. How was your photo section or waterfall browsing?
It's good.
Yeah, we did change and then I had like a little dip in the water. It was quite cold. We did manage to get some good shots, so that's good. That's all we need, right? A good few Instagram shots. It was such a long way walk down there. I highly recommend you guys to wear like waterproof footwear, so it will be great for walking. We just got back from the car. It was about 30 to 45 minutes because of the traffic. Anyway, currently what time is it?
5.
It's 5 o'clock, so literally we've been out for like 9 hours. Very well worth the money. Because we're supposed to use 10 hours, right? And the driver was so nice. He very accommodating. So right now we're just walking back to our hotel. Got a lot of stuff. Wet clothes, some souvenir. So gotta get them sorted. Naomi wants to have another swim because we did not get a proper swim at the waterfall. Anyway, let's make our way to the water pool. Where is she? Okay, she's swimming at the moment. I tried to call my mom but we could not reach her. So I'm gonna try again in like 10 minutes or 20. Let's go. We came to a supermarket and got some grocery for tomorrow's trip. So the plan is set. We are leaving the hotel at 6 AM tomorrow, really early. So that's why we got some breakfast. And right now we're trying to find some dinner. What did you get? Some cup noodles?
A lot of food.
Cup noodles, some bread as well, right? So as we are walking along this street, right, as you can see there's a lot of monkey statues on both sides of the street actually, because this one in this style and across the street there's another style. So from the map that we have seen, we are walking toward the sanctuary forest of monkeys. Oh yeah, look at this one, right? The glasses and everything else. Clever girl. What have you done? You picked like the fanciest restaurant on the street.
Experience it, right?
Right next to a fancy hotel. Like, look at the pool, right?
He said he'll give us 10% off.
10% off $100.
Oh my
Food's here! Yes, please, thank you. That's okay.
Yeah.
I can have it. Thank you very much.
Terima kasih, enjoy your dinner ya. Thank you. If you need something else, just let me know.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we just finished off dinner at this restaurant, Anumana. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was okay.
It was quite lovely and the bill came down to 306,000 for like we ordered like 2 dishes and then I got extra rice, 2 drinks and everything. So it was quite alright, it's not too bad. The food was lovely. Right now she wants some ice cream, so we have to go back to that supermarket and get some ice cream. And then hopefully we get home in time. It's like 8 o'clock now and we have to wake up really early tomorrow, like at like 5. What you got?
Bali.
That's it?
Raspberry.
Wow, I thought we were friends. You didn't get me any ice cream?
You didn't tell me what you wanted.
No, that I wanted an ice cream. No, I'm joking. Anyway, I think I'm going to close my vlog now. Do you want to say something?
Bye.
Okay, thank you very much for watching my video today. We have done a lot. We have been to a lot of places. Tomorrow we're going to go even further to the east and hopefully we can wake up in time. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, click like and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye. Have a good day.